Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video is pretty awesome. We got the new Hot Wheels Rift Rally, and this is a collector's edition, and this is going to be super awesome, so definitely stay tuned. I do want to point out I did get this collector's edition of this game because of the exclusive Hot Wheel right here. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and then we're going to go ahead and check out some of the stuff that it comes included with this. But this is essentially a video game. What's it for the PS4, let me see it. The PS4, PS5, iPhone, and iPad. But it is a video game with a car that has a camera that when you play the video game, you drive the car around in real life. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. And I think it's going to be pretty awesome. I know this exclusive McLaren Senna is definitely one that's going to be super exciting to see. So I went ahead and cut the tape already, but let's go ahead, slide the box out. There we go. So right there, you can already see that McLaren Senna. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. All right, so what we have here is a few things. Looks like an owner's manual or something slipped in right there. Let's go ahead and set that aside. I want to go ahead and get to the Hot Wheel itself because a lot of you guys are probably here for the McLaren Senna, so I'm just going to go ahead and get to that. It looks like it's just slid right in. I'm not too sure, so I'll go ahead and open this. Alright, let's see. We're just going to pull it right out the front. There we go. And the rest of that box is empty. But this right here is absolutely beautiful. This is almost like an RLC car where it comes like in the acrylic case. There's not a number on the bottom though, so it's not limited, or at least there's not like a known exact number. But look at the detail on that thing. I think this looks insane. I love that orange and it has all the decals on it. And if you look right here on the base, it has like all these cool little designs and whatnot. And then there's like, looks like tire marks. So that's really cool. And then on the back it says Hot Wheels right here, and it's technically printed on this back, but it's in reverse lettering so that whenever you look at it from this point of view, you can actually read it properly. But this is really cool. You got the little Rift Rally up in the corner, and it says McLaren on the other side. It does have real rider tires on it, so the tires are rubber. It has actual like nicer rims. There we go. But let me go ahead and pop off the top of the acrylic case here, and I can show you guys a little bit more detail. Alright, so acrylic case is off, and wow, this thing is beautiful. Sorry, I'm like really getting excited about this because I love the McLaren Senna, and this just looks spectacular. Like, look how good that car looks. Wow, that is insane. It even has the windows on the door. You can see right through the car right there. Man, this is a really, really, really cool Hot Wheel. I did get this to keep. However, I do have two more of these sets. So I got another one right here. So if you check out my link in the description down below, you guys can go on to Macari. If you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and use my link, and then there's also a code that you can use. Whenever you create an account and make your first purchase, you get $10 back on your account, and then whenever you sell stuff, when you make your first $100, you get an additional $20. So definitely go check out Macari, and it looks like I will be posting, I don't know if I'm going to post this entire set onto Macari, or if I'm going to maybe keep a couple of the McLarens and then sell everything else in the game, or maybe I'll just sell the McLaren by itself. So definitely check out Macari. You can go on there. There's probably a bunch of other people selling these as well. They're selling all kinds of stuff. You can buy, sell, similar to like other buying and selling platforms. But Macari is super easy, super quick to hop on and start exploring. So definitely check out my link in the description down below, and you guys can go create an account. But I'm going to get back to checking this out because I just love that. But I'm going to go ahead and set this aside for now. I do want to go ahead and get to unboxing everything else. So let me go ahead and pull, let's see. Okay, right here, the next part is So this is the car itself, and with this collector set, it's actually like all black. The original one is white. So this thing looks really cool. Give you a little close up. It has some like really cool textures and patterns on there. It's got a little spoiler on the back. I don't know what I just did, but it just lit up. So I think like the sides are buttons. Oh yeah, I just clicked it and it's changing colors there. So I'm not sure if it's like in a pairing mode or what's going on. But you see you got tires and stuff. Like this thing looks super cool. So if you guys want to pick up this game, honestly, I'm probably not going to play this. I mostly got this whole thing just to have the collector's McLaren. So I think that might be why they did that, because a lot of people might have the same idea. Let me go ahead and set that right there. So if you guys want to keep checking that out, you can in the meantime. But let me go ahead and see what else is in here. So we got like a base piece. Oh shoot, okay, so we got a bunch of these like bases. They have like nice soft bottoms on them so you don't scratch up your floor or anything. And it looks like there's a bunch of gates and stuff. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly what all this stuff, it almost looks like a checkpoint. They're numbered. Let's see what else is in here. Pull this stuff out. Got a bunch of these things. This car's still flashing. Let's see here. Okay, so then these are the stands for it to drive under. So looks like you put these in each one of the little stands, and then you can have, it looks like the gate go right there, and then you can, that's actually kind of big whenever you look at the overall thing. So there's like a leg on each side. You got the big gate, so you can obviously drive that whole car underneath it. It looks like it's wide enough that you could probably have like, shoot, maybe 3 or 4 of those cars drive under it. So if you're playing with like other friends and stuff, I guess you can have a bunch of different checkpoints to go through. There are 4 main checkpoints. If you combine with a bunch of other sets, I don't know how that works. Like I said, honestly, I got this just for the McLaren, so the rest of this is kind of cool. If you have kids, honestly, this might be a pretty fun game. To me, it looks like it would be fun, but I have no idea. So, like I said, if you guys want to pick up this game and play it, obviously it's called, is it Rift Rally? So if you guys have kids and you're like, wow, the game looks pretty fun, definitely let me know, and I'll probably put this up at a discounted rate on Macari, because I'm not looking to play the game. I just really wanted to get this McLaren Senna. So yeah, let me just put some of this stuff back away. But all right, so I guess that's pretty much it. The rest of it, I believe. Let's see. I don't know if it's like an app that you have to download, or if there's like an actual game that comes with it. So yeah, in here there's just, yep, you just have your charging cord and more of the little stands. So I guess you have to maybe go on, download the game, and then you can pair everything else with it. That's what it looks like. Alright, so correction, if you guys want to download the game, you just go on to, there's like a QR code right here. You can download the game, and then you can obviously sync everything with it, or you can go onto like the PlayStation Store, download it from there. Obviously, it was on the instruction manual that I kind of threw off to the side. There's that QR code if you guys need that or whatever. Also, there's going to be a, you can actually have the McLaren Senna in the game, so you get like a free digital kind of thing with this. Honestly, like this game right here is going to be super dope if you were to have the McLaren in the game. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. But like I said, I really got it for the McLaren Senna. I love all the detail that this thing has, and just that beautiful orange color. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And like I said, check out the link in the description down below for Macari. Also, I have a lot of other Hot Wheels case unboxings, including some Amazon cases to the Amazon Black Box. I did get a super treasure hunt out of one of those recently, so definitely go check out those videos. It should be popping up on the screen on one of the sides. So definitely go check out those. Check out all the links in the description down below. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.